Welcome to Moulézan. This charming French village is located in between Uzès and Sommières at the foothill of the Seven Mountains. Today I have a true gem to show you. Follow me. On this estate we have 3 fully equipped gîtes. Let's visit the first one. We just saw this first beautiful gîte. Let's go on to the next one. Let's see the last of the 3 gîtes. With the possibility of making at least 2 more gîtes and renting out the ballroom as a wedding venue, this property has endless opportunities. If you want more information about this fabulous property, contact me.